In today's world, you're not required to spend top money in order to get a smartphone with top premium features such as a high megapixel camera, screen resolution, phone build, design, or even faster processing speeds. Now, the producer of this budget-friendly smartphone states that it has premium features. Well, in today's video, we're going to put those claims to the test and see if they are actually accurate. And we'll be jumping in right after this. Now, before I dive in, if you end up liking my content, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for this video. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and also do not forget to comment in the comment section below, plus share this content out. Okay, the smartphone that we're going to be talking about today is called the B30 Pro, and as you can see there, it supports 5G. All right, now the company that produces and or manufactures this smartphone is called NUU, and they've been in business since 2012, so they have over 10 years of experience working with Android smartphones. But let's jump right to some of the key features and specs of the B30 Pro smartphone. All right, first thing I'm going to mention, again, it is budget friendly, so you're not paying top premium price for this smartphone. It states here that it has a design that's durable with a seamless curved dragon tail front glass and also a Gorilla Glass on the back, providing scratch and damage resistance, ensuring durability. All right, it has a immersive visual experience, so the screen size is 6.7 inches and it has a front HD plus AMOLED display with 120 Hertz refresh rate, and which I mentioned earlier, and as you can see it states there it has 5G. Now as far as the chip, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, and it also supports Wi-Fi 6, an 8 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 32 megapixel front camera. It states it comes with Android 13, but it's upgradable to Android 14. It also states here that it has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of memory as far as storage. Now the battery size is 5,000 milliamps and is capable of 30 watts of fast charging. All right, so that pretty much covers some of the straight to the point specs. It sounds like it has a lot of nice premium features, but let's have a closer look at the box. You've already seen this long enough. All right, let's turn it over. All right, let's go over here. Some of the specs that I mentioned earlier. All right, it looks like it comes with the data cable, power adapter, so the power adapter is included, which is nice. Even has a pre-installed screen protector. All right, whoa, it looks like it comes with a case as well. TPU case. So a lot included for a budget-friendly smartphone. Pretty cool. With that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Let's cut up in here. Peel this back here. You can see the phone right away. Here for now. Got the charge brick. All right. SIM card remover and charge cable, which is obviously Type C to Type C. All right, looks like you have some branding stickers, manual, All right, let's have a closer look at the phone itself. Feels really nice. SIM card tray, looks like a microphone, charge port type C, speaker, no buttons on this side, top speaker, microphone as well. Then you have your buttons on this side. Looks like this is going to be the power button, the lower one, and then the volume rocker. Take a look at the back. You have the 3 camera lenses. All right, really nice, sleek design. Feels premium. Nice weight to it. All right, and then of course with the included case, let's go ahead and pop that on. That is definitely welcome. That is welcomed. All right, to get you started, then of course you can always buy another case if you need to, but for now, they give you one on board. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. There we go. Front camera right there. What I'm going to do is go ahead and input my information, get this phone all set up so that way we can have a closer look. Be right back. All right, I got it all set up and look at this. Look how nice this screen looks. Really, really nice. I'm impressed with this. And I forgot to mention about the screen protector. So let's see, if you look closely, you can kind of see it right there when the screen is fading off right now. You can see that screen protector. So all the claims so far have been accurate. All right, nice and fluid, look at that. Definitely digging this. You can see YouTube here. Nice and smooth. I'll play this video. What's up everybody and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to talk about, see how loud this is? Sofa Baton X1S Universal Remote. So clear. So jumping right in right after this. So clear. Woo! Let me see where the volume level is at. Not too long ago, I did a review for the it's on the max right now. YouTube Universal Remote, and if you want to check out that review, it's really, really nice. Card there and check I'm digging this. I'm really, really digging this. Today, again, we're going to be talking about the Sofa Baton. All right, let's check out Instagram. All right, we're going to go here. See how fast this phone is. True wireless earbud set. In fact, it gets the certified chef kiss. I'm truly impressed with it. An awesome product with premium. Have you been in the market searching for a Bluetooth headset? I mean, it's just amazing so far. Well, do you have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6? Overall, so far, I definitely think that this is a nice premium featured smartphone at a budget. Now let's go ahead and check out the camera. Now this is the iPhone 15. And again, the NUU B30 Pro. You can see the screen size difference. All right. What I want to do is take a photo with the iPhone 15 and then take a photo with the B30 Pro and do a comparison, and then do the same thing with a quick video. All right. Go ahead and do that. All right, first up is the iPhone. All right, as you can see, nice clear picture. I mean, that's what iPhone do. They take nice pictures, right? Zoom in, you can see the detail. All right, nice and crisp. Now let's take a look at the B30 Pro. All right, looks pretty good. Now I will say that it is a little bit darker here. All right, which some people may not be happy with. All right, but overall, it is still a nice crisp picture. Let me zoom in. You can see what I'm talking about. Nice and detailed. All right, so very nice photos that this phone can take. I mean, at the price that you're paying for to get this quality, it's definitely outstanding. Now let's take a look at the B30 Pro. All right, looks pretty good. Now I will say that it is a little bit darker here. All right, which some people may not be happy with. All right, but overall, it is still a nice crisp picture. Let me zoom in to see what I'm talking about. Nice and detailed. All right, so very nice photos that this phone can take. I mean, at the price that you're paying for to get this quality, it's definitely outstanding. Now, this is another photo that I took using an iPhone when I was outside. Of course, it's nice and detailed. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the B30 Pro. All right, look at that. It's pretty nice. Again, nice and detailed, nice and clear. And I think it does a great job. All right, let's take a quick look at this iPhone video. It's a quick, simple video, but just for the comparison's sake, it's in a little bit of shade mixed with the sun. All right, let's take a look at the B30 Pro. All right, here we go. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So I think that this camera definitely does a good job on this phone. And as you can see here, I did go to settings. You can see the storage, what it's showing there. Let's go to about. And we're gonna look at here, Android 13. Also, this phone has gesture controls. Look at that. All right, you can do gestures or you can do the 3 buttons. I prefer gesture, so that's why I'm going to put it on now. Let's go back. If you want to wake up the Google Assistant, you can use the power button for that. Okay, so that's good to know. Swipe up and here I am. Previous screens, there you go. Gestures work just fine. I like it. And locking this phone, you can see that it does have the pin to unlock, fingerprint reader, and face recognition. All right, let's see how fast the fingerprint reader is. All right, so you can read all that good stuff. Go ahead and agree and then start. All right, and after that, let's go ahead and lock it. Let's see how fast it unlocks. That's pretty dope. Let's try it again. I'm loving it. And you get that vibrate feedback when you do it too. Now, one last thing I wanted to mention. Check this out. In settings, if you go to display, what does it stay here? Always on display. To tap there, choose one of these here. Oh, I've got to turn this on first. Tap OK, tap apply, and yes, look at that. I cut this off. There you have it. All right, let's go ahead and check out the charging. You can see that it says charging rapidly. I'm in the battery settings, and right now it's at 41%, and it should be full within 19 minutes. So that's pretty quick for a 5,000 milliamp battery. Off just in case there is interference. Let's give it a try. See if it does wireless charge. And as you can see, it does not have wireless charging. Well, that would have been a nice addition to have, but for me, is it a deal breaker? Absolutely not. Again, you get 30 watts fast charging. I mean, you're probably able to get this phone fully charged from 0 to 100 within 40-45 minutes. So not having wireless charging to me is not a deal breaker, especially for the price that you're paying for this compared to the more premium priced devices. All right, speaking of price, as of right now of me doing this video, this phone is going for $299, and you get, again, all of these cool features, this nice well-built design, nice camera, nice storage, and nice durable build. Now, if you're interested in the B30 Pro, of course, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video, but this completes my unboxing and honest review for the new B30 Pro Android smartphone.